Meaning of ignominious.
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 Ignominious. The word ignominious refers to something that is shameful, disgraceful, or dishonorable. It can be used to describe something that brings a person or their reputation into disrepute or takes away their dignity. An act that is considered ignominious reflects poorly on the perpetrator and can result in public condemnation or ostracism. The consequences of an ignominious act can be severe and long-lasting, causing irreparable damage to a person's personal and professional life. Overall, ignominious carries a negative connotation and is not used to describe something positive or desirable.